Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the Unza graduate teacher. We are looking at questions which came in biology paper 1 multiple choice 2025 November exam. So we are going to look at the question 11 to question 14 of the multiple choices. So now, according to question 11, question 11 was saying the diagram shows chemical digestion of a nutrient in the human body. So this was enzyme K, it was B plus C. So now, what you need to understand is that enzyme K and the products. So there's this product B and C. So now we need to hear what the question was saying. The question was saying identify enzyme K and the product B and C. So here, according to this enzyme K, it was saying A, lactase, B, product, lactose, and galactose. B, it was saying lipase, glycerol, fatty acids. C, it was saying lipase, fatty acids, glycerol. Then D, it was saying maltase, glucose, fructose. So now, one thing to understand is that here the correct answer here is supposed to be B. So now what you need to understand is that lipase digests fats into fatty acid and the what you're going to say is that lipase digests fats into fatty acids and the glycerol is what you need to understand. The diagram shows one large molecule breaking into smaller ones. Typical of fat digestion. This is a typical of what fat digestion. So the reason why we have not choose others is that like for A, lactase breaks lactose into glucose, and the galactose, not lactose and the galactose. So this one is not correct. A. And the reason why we have not choose the C is that the products are reversed. So what you need to understand, the products are what are reversed for this one, for C. So this one is not correct. So then D, maltose breaks maltose. This is maltase breaks into maltose into glucose only, not fructose. So this one this one breaks into what? Maltose, not fructose. So it's not this one. So now when you look at question 12, it was saying which of the following equations shows the type of respiration that can cause an oxygen deficit in muscles during vigorous exercise? There was A, B, C, D. A was saying glucose plus oxygen produces what? Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Glucose produces lactic acid plus energy. Glucose produces alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. D, glucose produces what? Lactic acid plus carbon dioxide plus energy. So now what you need to understand is that here the correct answer here is supposed to be B as also. The reason is that oxygen depth is caused by anaerobic water respiration in muscles, which produces lactic acid. Why we have not choose other option is that A uses oxygen, you see. A uses the oxygen, which is anaerobic inspiration. No oxygen depth. As long as it uses the oxygen, so that there is no oxygen what depth. Then you see alcohol production happens in plants, yeast, not in muscles. So what you need to understand. Then D, lactic acid respiration does not produce carbon dioxide. So what into this one. So lactic acid respiration does not produce what? Carbon dioxide. So that's why we have chosen the B. So question 13, it was saying which microorganisms cause cholera and what is its mode of transmission. So microorganism and mode of transmission. So it was saying A, bacterium through contaminated blood. B, bacterium through contaminated blood. C, virus through contaminated blood. D, virus through contaminated water. So here through contaminated water, even B. So now, according to question 13, what we need to understand is that the correct answer here is B as well. So cholera is caused by a bacterium. It is spread through contaminated water. The reason why we have not picked A, cholera is not spread by blood. It is spread by contaminated water. The reason why we have not picked C and D, cholera is not caused by a virus. So let us look at the last question. Last question was saying when babies are born, they have some passive immunity. Which conditions are needed for passive immunity to develop? A, antibodies produced by the mother have crossed the placenta. B, the baby has developed in a very sterile environment. C, the baby genetically inherits the immunity. D, the baby used the food nutrient from the mother to produce its own antibiotics. So here the answer also again, the answer here we are going to say is A. So we are going to say the answer is A. The reason why is that passive immunity means antibodies are received, not made. So mothers pass antibodies to the baby through the placenta. So the reason why we have not chosen others is that B, sterile environment does not give immunity. C, immunity is not inherited genetically. That's what you need to understand. D, making antibodies is active immunity, not passive. So no wonder I've picked A. We have come to the end of our lesson. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my TikTok channel if you're watching me on TikTok. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops.